Wow, this is one and only Muffuletta sandwich. Not homemade. That's not a fine chop. Left my bread knife at Cousin's. Crispy. Let's build it up. Prosciutto. Provolone piccante. Salame. Smokey Swiss cheese. Mortadella. Jesus. Wow, this is absolutely fantastic. You should totally make it at home, guys. Yum, yum, yum. Okay? Yum, yum, yum.